Hey guys, are you ready for some adventures? Looking for some gadgets to make your house a bit more comfortable? Maybe you need to see some things a bit more clearly. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Are you ready to build your own robot warrior? All you need is this futuristic Mecha stand and an Echo Dot 4. From now on, your smart speaker is an alien that'll add several points to that futuristic atmosphere on your desktop. 3 adjustable legs with rubber pads lift Echo Dot up and protect it from water, dust, and falling off the table. And a light ring in the lower part glows with several colors, making your speaker come alive. Oh boy, that looks stunning. This thing over here will change the way you enjoy your music. It lets you access your music without your smartphone or any other mobile device. A touch-sensitive display provides you with all the controls like playing or pausing the song or toggling to the next track. On the bottom of the screen, there are 4 quick access buttons that you can customize to your needs. This thing can also double as a smart remote to control your lighting and temperature. But the most satisfying thing is definitely turning the outer ring to control the volume. Travelers will squeal with joy when they see this suitcase. So first, it's foldable, but don't let the design fool you. Due to its polycarbonate body, it'll serve you for ages. On the sides, there are several quick access pockets for some essentials like a phone, passport, or laptop. The handle's adjustable, so it'll fit literally anyone. One more pro is that it's big enough to store clothes, which you'll need for an entire week. And when you don't need it, just fold it and put it in your wardrobe or on a shelf. Since it's only 2 inches thick, it won't take too much space, which is comfy. Did you suddenly find yourself in the middle of nowhere? Don't worry, this locator will make sure you'll be okay. So when you understand you're in danger, unhook the antenna and swivel it. Then press the button and a beacon will start sending a signal to a satellite orbiting the Earth and then send your GPS coordinates to the nearest rescue station. A built-in flashlight with several modes helps to send some additional signals to the rescuers in low light conditions. As for carrying, there are several clips, straps, and lanyards, so you can clip it anywhere for instant access. Meet the coolest pool lounger ever! Well, it mostly looks like an inflatable chair, but here's the secret. It features 2 propellers that rotate your boat 360 degrees on the water. The propellers are controlled by 2 joysticks with buttons that allow moving the lounger in all directions. The lounger runs on batteries, and setting it up won't take much time. It even provides you with a built-in cup holder to securely hold your cup while you're moving around. Oh, you'll love this one. The biggest pro is that you don't need to water the plant at all. One more pro is that it actually doubles as an ambient light. 5 artist-crafted stems with 20 leaves glow with 16 million colors and add several points to the interior. It goes without saying that the device is controllable via the app, where you can set preferable light combinations and effects. Finally, you can feel yourself Jack Sally in the Pandora Forest when you put several plants in the dining room. When playing or working out hard, you need a so-called support system that provides reliable stability and protection for your elbows and feet no matter the activity. So here it is. Designed with an innovative dial, this forearm strap lets you find your level of relief with a simple turning motion. A gel cushion pad applies targeted pressure for comfortable compression of the tendon, and a convenient hook and loop strap lets you customize your fit. You can change the pressure by zone so you don't need to adjust the entire strap. It's a must for those who do a lot of various repeated motion actions or those who are on their way to recovery. Okay, it looks like another ordinary leash for your pet. Nope, it's not that simple. You can wear it as a bracelet and free your hands when you need to answer the phone or clean after your dog. An integrated LED light and torch will make your night walks much safer. Just pick the color you like most in the app. Moreover, thanks to the built-in sensors, the app will also show you the number of your steps and a number of calories that were burned. There's no better way to motivate you to go that extra mile. So this futuristic thing over here is a heater and a bladeless fan in one body. Multi-directional rotation spreads the warm air quickly and evenly without any noise and annoying sounds. Just set the needed temperature and pick one of 10 fan speeds. A switch button on the body and the included remote allows all the controls. Safety is also thought through. Several sensors prevent overheating. That's why it's completely safe for kids and pets. This one's for outdoor adventures. This pen uses a UV light to sterilize the water and get rid of all the viruses and bacteria. Pick the amount of water you want to sterilize, it's either 30 or 15 ounces, and then place the device into the water. Voila! It'll be clean in just 90 seconds. When you see the smiling face on the screen, the water's ready. The pen is rechargeable and will purify up to 4,000 gallons of water on one charge. How many attempts did it take you to start a fire last time? This solar lighter is the best fire source that you can keep in your pocket. Unlike ordinary lighters, it doesn't pollute the environment and doesn't require electricity or gas. And it'll light up absolutely everything in just 2 seconds: wood, paper, tobacco, and so on. The way it works is pretty simple. Even when it's cold and windy, you'll still be able to ignite a fire promptly. These speakers will complement every gamer's room. Yep, that's because of that minimalist transparent design and that LED lighting you can customize depending on your mood. Each tweet boasts 5-watt output. Combine it with a 10-watt subwoofer, and the final 20-watt output looks pretty good. This is the best way to honor the fallen soldiers during the Second World War. The design of this flashlight was inspired by the legendary fighter jet Curtiss P-40 Warhawk. Just like the jet, it's small yet super sturdy and powerful, lighting up your way with 50 lumens within a 16-foot range. It glows with 3 different colors and runs around 4 hours on 1 cell battery. Finally, it's so tiny you can easily put it on your keychain. Those constant searches for the outlet in the dark. Those battles for free sockets in your house. Meet the cover plate that'll free them from those bulky, inconvenient night lights. It doesn't require brackets, batteries, mounts, or wires. Just snap it on and go. The light sensors turn on and off automatically depending on the lighting conditions. When it's dark, it gently diffuses the light and makes it easier to move around. Awesome. With this microscope, you can observe tiny objects, making them up to 200 times bigger. The device can easily magnify anything you want to explore in detail. All you have to do is just clip this thing on your phone camera. It works perfectly well with iOS and Android devices. 6 built-in LEDs make sure your photos will always be bright and crisp. What's more, it's compact enough to carry in your pocket. Here's another option. It's a bit simpler, but it's even more compact, and it has a shutter to protect the lens from scratches. Whichever model you choose, both of them are easy to recharge, and you don't need any additional app. Just plug and play. So first, what we like about this lamp is the look. Of course, everything is easy to customize with a button in the upper part of the lamp and a toggle switch at the bottom. But the coolest part is that the lamp comes with a detachable lamp head. You can attach it to the magnetic charging port at the top of the lamp, or simply hold it in your hand like a flashlight. As you see, the upper part is 90-degree rotatable, so you can adjust the angle of the light. This gadget is about 2 things most people love: travel and coffee. With this portable kit, you'll be able to enjoy top-quality coffee everywhere you stay. So the kit includes an electric kettle, a mug, and a grounds container. They're all neatly stored inside each other, and the durable case protects your kit while carrying. Now, making your coffee will be really easy. The mug holds up to 12 ounces and comes with its own lid if you like sipping on the go.